this is Megan. We are doing pellet machines, and today I want to introduce you different pellet machines. We also call it pellet briquette. How to see it's briquette? Because it has the bigger holes. The pellet machine is always 6 millimeter or 8 millimeter diameter, but this briquette always square holes or a big round holes of 30 millimeters. That's why we call it a briquette machine, and the output is similar. Why you choose this briquette machine? Some raw materials or some special requirement for the finished start, we will advise you to choose this briquette machine.